Okay, to embed a photo in a Word document, we're going to start by placing our cursor in the document where we want the image to appear. Let's say the beginning of the second paragraph. And we're going to go up in the toolbar and click Insert and choose Pictures. And from here we can browse the hard drive of the computer, find a suitable image, and then click on it and then click Insert. It's quite common for the image to be too big for the document, so resize it by using the corner grab handles. Just click and drag to an appropriate size. And then you'll want text to wrap around the image for the most professional look. The way to do that is to use the layout options icon right here. So click that. And this one usually looks good. It's called square text wrapping. So just click that. And as you can see, the text has wrapped around the image. And I still want to reposition the image. So I'm going to click and drag that until I see that green vertical line showing me the image is aligned with the left margin of the document. Now this could be great for an informal piece of writing, but if you are writing a research paper or something else that's formal, you'll need a caption. So right click on the picture and then choose Insert Caption. You'll be prompted with the label Figure 1. You should follow that with a colon and a space, and then you need to supply a title for the image, chart or graph, whatever it happens to be, table maybe. So we'll do that. And the title, as with the label, is all in italic and it's followed by a period. So you can click OK. And Word will automatically number your figures as you add them. Now it's fairly typical that in formal documents, especially if you have a table or some other kind of data visualization that needs to be interpreted, that you follow the title of the image with what is technically known as the caption. So we'll put that here, and typically that part is not in italic face. So we'll change that. You may want to also adjust this to be in Times New Roman. Typically we would just go ahead and use 12, which is the same as the text of the paper. It sometimes looks a little better, easier to read if it's just a little bit smaller. Okay. Now, it often happens that we continue to edit our document and then we have to reposition the photo, but when you do that in this case, it gets separated from the caption, and if your document is long with many visuals and captions, this can be a very tedious and time-consuming thing to have to fix. So instead, when you have finished writing the caption, and it's still selected here, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click the photo, like so. On a Mac, that would be a Command click on the photo. Now both are selected. Right click on the photo, go to Group, and Group. And as you can see, the outline around the image and caption shows that it's a single object. So if I have to reposition it, it's going to stay together.